Yes, good morning, children. Today I will teach the open window, class AD. It so happened the open window, part 2. I have added some of the meanings over here. Now, bustled, make noise, mess, dirty, rattle here, started telling. Alright, desperate, hopeless, hoarse, rough voice, collision here, accident, acquaintance, habitat, ghastly, causing fear, delusion, mental disorder. Okay, so we'll switch on to the chapter. Mrs. Sappleton comes down at last and inadvertently confirms her niece's story. Now, Mrs. Sappleton comes down and accidentally she confirms her niece's story. Frampton tries to acquaint his host with the nature of his ailment. Now, Frampton tries to talk with her host with the nature of his ailment. Through the open window, he can see things that worsen his nerves. And while he was seeing through the open window, he can see things that worsen his nerves. Now, she broke off with a little shudder. Now, she came in with a little shudder, little shaking. It was a relief to Frampton when the aunt bustled into the room. Bustled came in with force into the room with a whirl of apologies. I came into the room with a whirl of apologies, telling him many apologies for being late in making her appearance. Now, I hope Vera has been amusing you, she said. She is talking about her niece, and she told him that I hope she had been amusing you. She has been very interesting, said Frampton. Now she is telling that she had been very interesting, said Frampton. I hope you don't mind the open window. Now, said Mrs. Sappleton briskly. Now, I hope you don't mind the open window, said Mrs. Sappleton briskly. My husband and brothers will be home directly from shooting and they always come in this way. Now she is telling to Frampton Nuttall, I hope that you don't mind the open window, and my husband and my brother will be home directly from shooting and they always come in this way, and they come in the house this way. They've been out for snip in the marshes today. They had been out for catching birds in the marshes today, Greenland. So they'll make a fine mess over my poor carpets. Now she's telling, so they will make a fine mess means they will dirty her room over the poor carpets. So like you man flock, isn't it? Means you man flock, it is the nature of the man flock they dirty the house. She rattled on cheerfully about the shooting and scarcity of birds. Now she started telling quickly on cheerfully about the shooting and the scarcity of birds and the prospect for duck in the winter. And she also talked about the shooting and the scarcity of birds and what were the prospects for duck in the winter. To Frampton, it was all purely horrible. So to Frampton, it was all purely horrible because the niece has told him that the three of them would be coming from this window, and when Frampton heard about this, he thought that they might be the ghost of the three and they would be coming from this window. He was already suffering from the bad nerve, so he became pure and that news when he got, he became purely horrible. Up till here only for today.